My name is Tom Hyslip. I'm an assistant professor of instruction in the Department of Criminology. Well, I teach primarily the cybercrime investigations and the digital forensics courses. I spent 23 years in federal law enforcement. I started with the Secret Service way back in 1998. You like to call it the Wild West of cybercrime. Then over the next 23 years, I eventually transferred to the Department of Defense, supervised their cybercrime office for the East Coast of the U.S. Every day is a little different. If you're in the law enforcement side, one day you could be, doing paperwork at your desk, writing a search warrant, and then a day or two later, you're executing a search warrant on a residence, trying to find the hacker who hacked into the Department of Defense or some national security computer, testifying in court. And then if you're working in private sector, you're doing instant response for ransomware attacks, you're negotiating the ransom with the criminals. In this program, I teach a variety of courses. I teach a handful of digital forensics courses. I created a new network forensics course, and that's where you're looking at actual digital data that's going across the wire, right? Going between computers and servers, across the internet. You're gonna look at the bits and bytes, the zeros and ones, and then you can take that data, break it down, and understand who committed a crime on a network. Right, that's the whole purpose of the network forensics course. There's also a great mobile forensics course. As everybody knows, everybody has a phone now. In a typical murder, police are gathering between 20 and 30 different phones. Now, someone has to go through those phones and look for the evidence, right? That could include the locations, the GPS stuff on the phone, the text messaging, the phone call data. So we have a great course that I teach on mobile forensics where you're gonna learn how to use advanced forensic software to pull that data out of a phone and how to analyze that data.